Alright guys, today I want to do a quick unbox review and setup on my new portable pizza oven. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and actually take a look at it. So it's this right here, we just took it out the box. Everything comes pre-assembled. Just literally had to unfold the legs and it's literally ready to go. But let's actually throw pizza in there and see how it works. If you ever struggle with making pizza at home that actually tastes like it came from a pizzeria, this outdoor pizza oven is going to change the game. It heats up to a blazing 150 degrees Fahrenheit in about just 15 minutes, which means you're baking a crispy, perfectly cooked 12-inch pizza in only 60 seconds. No more waiting around or guessing with inconsistent ovens. You can knock out pizza after pizza for family dinners, parties, or even solo pizza nights on the patio. The secret to the flavor, it's all in the heat retention. The oven is built with a 430 stainless steel inner frame surrounded by ceramic fiber insulation and wrapped with a cold rolled steel shell. That gives you 3 layers of thermal insulation, which helps lock in the heat, hold it steady, and deliver that authentic stone-baked taste with every slice. Now, if you're someone who loves to cook outdoors or entertain, this oven was designed for portability. It only weighs 24 pounds, which makes it super easy to carry whether you're heading to the backyard, the beach, a campsite, or a park. The foldable legs make it even more compact when it's time to pack it up or store it. And it also comes with a carrying bag and reduction valve, so you've got everything you need to hit the road and keep things clean at home. Setup is simple. The oven is ready to go straight out of the box as I showed you earlier. Just connect it to the standard gas tank, turn the knob to get it started, and you're ready to cook. No special tools, no complicated instructions, and whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, you'll have full control over how your pizza turns out just by rotating it as it bakes. And the best part, the oven isn't just for pizza. You can roast vegetables, grill steaks or fish, bake fresh bread, and even smoke meat right in the same unit. So if you want to serve up a full outdoor meal or experiment with different recipes, this one tool has you covered. It's perfect for family dinners, weekend barbecues, camping trips, or even just elevating your weekend meal. It's compact, powerful, and brings that wood-fired flavor without the hassle. And just look at the results. Golden edges, bubbling cheese, and that crispy bottom you can only get from that real high heat. What I love the most is the consistency. No raw centers, just even cooking all the way through. You can actually hear the crunch when you slice into it. That's how you know it was baked the right way, not steamed like it would be in a regular oven. Another thing to point out, because it cooks it so fast, you're not stuck babysitting the oven for 15 to 20 minutes per pot. You slide it in, you give it a turn or two, and in under a minute it's done. That means more time eating and less time standing over the fire. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new pizza oven, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.